See, Cucurella is a defender. He is a goalkeeper. He is a midfielder. He is attacker. See, last season, Cucurella in the Premier League, he was scoring goals for fun. Or this season, he was scoring goals for fun. And even this season, Cucurella scored goals more than some people strikers. I'm telling you, Cucurella is 150 million striker, not a defender. Cucurella is 100 and 200 million striker. Look at the way the guys approach the game. Even before the game, leading to the game, Liverpool said that we are going to beat them. James said that we are going to beat them. Cole Palmer and Co. Even Gusto and Co. said that we are going to beat them. Like, they didn't fear anything. Now we can see like the winning mentality, the Chelsea that we used to know. Even Enzo Maresca said that we are going to beat them, we are going to stop them. And indeed, it happened, we beat them. So now the belief, the maturity, the winning mentality is coming back. Another thing I like about this project. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richie Man. In fact, guys, breaking news. Cristiano Ronaldo, the GOAT, himself said that Al-Nassr should rush and run and go and sign the best left back in the world. The best left back in the world. Who is better than Mendes? Ladies and gentlemen, Ronaldo is crying. Ronaldo is begging Al-Nassr. Al-Nassr, go and sign Cucurella. Al-Nassr, do whatever you can do and go and bring the best left back in the world. I want to play with Cucurella so that he can be crossing me the balls. I will be scoring the tap-ins. See, guys, Ronaldo want Al-Nassr to sign Cucurella. Ronaldo informed Al-Nassr to go and sign Cucurella after making a call to bring João Felix. João Felix was discussing with Benfica when Ronaldo heard it and just took his phone and called Felix. Felix, join me in Al-Nassr. I want you to join me in Al-Nassr. Felix didn't argue. No. He just accepted, okay, my God, I'm coming. So guys, the same way Ronaldo is pushing and inform Al-Nassr to come and sign Marco Cucurella. Are you selling Cucurella? And if you are selling Cucurella, how much are you selling Cucurella to Al-Nassr? Because the money is there. Al-Nassr have the money. Or you will not sell Cucurella, you will keep him. In fact, guys, before, anytime that as a Chelsea fan, you tell anybody that Cucurella is better than Mendes, it was argument. Even before the Club World Cup final, anytime that I said, all Chelsea fans will say that, okay, Cucurella is the best left back in the world, you see people mention Mendes' name. And the same as the midfield. Anytime that we say Caicedo is the best DM in the world, you see people mention Vitinha name and Fabian Ruiz until the final day. Caicedo showed the world that he is the best DM. The same as Cucurella. Until the final day, opposition fans and football fans are now respecting Chelsea. See, guys, people were looking at Chelsea at the past. The time the took over happened 2021. People were no more watching our players until the final day. The day the world was against Chelsea. Chelsea players went onto the pitch and showed it that indeed they are the best team in the world. Up to now and up to today, teams and opposition fans started respecting Chelsea. Initially, they wasn't respecting us. So I can tell you that this is the reason why Al-Nassr want to sign Cucurella. And this is the reason why Ronaldo informed Al-Nassr to come and sign Cucurella. Because now they saw what the guys are doing. They saw the display from Cucurella in the final. See, Cucurella is someone, he is not just a defender. He is both. See, Cucurella is a defender. He is a goalkeeper. He is a midfielder. He is attacker. See, last season, Cucurella in the Premier League, he was scoring goals for fun. Or this season, he was scoring goals for fun. And even this season, Cucurella scored goals more than some people strikers. I'm telling you, Cucurella is 150 million striker, not a defender. Cucurella is 100 and 200 million striker. See, if Cucurella go to United or Arsenal today, he will be their striker. He is going to become their striker. I'm telling you, 15 goals, 20 goals, 30 goals in a season for Arsenal or United. So guys, now I can tell you that after Chelsea winning the Club World Cup, even not winning the Club World Cup, after we beating PSG, the way people underrated us leading to the final, some people were saying that Chelsea were going to collect 6, 7, what and what. And we humbled PSG, we dismantled PSG, we scattered PSG. Now teams are respecting us. Now opposition fans are respecting us. Chelsea, we now put ourselves to that standard, to that highest level. So I'm telling you that next season in the UEFA Champions League, teams will start respecting us. Teams are going to respect us, so we have to prepare very well. No. See, next season in the Champions League, we are not going to get it easy because they now know that we are back. They now know that we are the only team who stopped PSG, who beat almost everybody. Real Madrid, Bayern Munich, Arsenal, Inter Miami, almost all the big European giants until Chelsea met PSG. We show them that indeed we own London. We are the pride of London. So guys, Ronaldo is pushing and inform Al-Nassr that they should come and sign Cucurella. And as I asked, should Chelsea sell him or should Chelsea keep him? And if you are selling Cucurella, how much? How much? Let me hear from you under the comment section. And about Cristiano Ronaldo want to bring Cucurella to Al-Nassr after bringing their feelings. Guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. And before we move to the next transfer, please just remind you, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more football fans on the YouTube algorithm. Let's come to Hato, guys. Hato is pushing and refused to train with Ajax. He is pushing to leave and he wants to join Chelsea. Hato has indicated that due to a possible transfer to Chelsea, he prefers not to play for Ajax. Negotiations are currently proceeding slowly. Yes, so that is the information for Hato. He is pushing to leave. And another latest information for Xavi Simons. Chelsea advancing talk with Xavi Simons. Terms now broadly in place. Club-to-club talks ongoing. Chelsea expected to place a first formal offer soon after verbal discussion over numbers. Talks described as positive. What a wow. So guys, currently as we are speaking now, Hato refused to trade. Hato refused to include himself in Ajax squad. That he want to come to Chelsea. He want to join Chelsea. He is pushing to join Chelsea, the best club in the world. Chelsea, a team which have attractive team, winnable team, competitive team. So Hato is doing everything that he can do. And as I said already, one of my previous video that he agreed personal terms with Chelsea. He want to come to Chelsea, so now it's all about the fee. So he is now pushing for Ajax and Chelsea to come to consensus, for Ajax to accept the fee Chelsea is offering so that he can join his dream club, Chelsea Football Club. And the same as Xavi Simons, he also agreed personal terms, now the fee. Yes, RB Leipzig and Chelsea, they are now discussing about the fee. I'm seeing that happen. Chelsea signing Xavi Simons and Hato at the same time. So guys, that is the latest again for Hato and Xavi Simons transfer to Chelsea. Yes. And see guys, this is our project. Chelsea, our owners, initially when they started it, yes, when they bought the team, it was confusion all over because they just changed it completely. Even from our medical department, from academy to the senior squad, they changed everything. Yes, and sacked our best manager at that time, Thomas Tuchel, and sold almost everybody. Yes, leaving Rhys James and Ben Chilwell. Yes, so at that time, Chelsea fans, we didn't understand them. Yes, the project, and we were right because I can't have my Chelsea, the Chelsea that won Champions League that season, Super Cup that season, and someone just came and used one season and changed everything. And you expect me to understand. So I can't understand as a fan. But now, guys, it is looking like the project is manifesting. It is looking like we can now understand the project. Yes. And let me tell you one advantage about this project. See, them signing young players, as you can see, anytime that we are selling a player, like the transfer doesn't go difficult. Like we are not seeing difficulties on it because even if that player come to Chelsea and don't get the playing time or doesn't get the playing time or doesn't even perform, at the end, if Chelsea is offloading the player, things are easy for us because they are young players. They still have future ahead of them. They still have age, yes, more season to play professional football. So even if they don't play well in Chelsea, still Chelsea can sell them and make our profit. As João Felix, currently Disasi is going, Petrovic, so many transfer. If you have been observing, yes, even almost all the players we are selling this season, like they didn't just get the playing time in Chelsea in the first team, but still Chelsea is selling them higher than the price they bought them. So that is one of the advantage of signing young project or bringing those young players. Yes, because of the future they still have ahead. Even if they don't come to Chelsea, even if they don't play in Chelsea or perform in Chelsea, still Chelsea will make something out of them. So guys, see now the project is manifesting. Now it is looking like Chelsea fans, we are understanding the project. And another thing I like about this project is the maturity we are now seeing. Yes, Look at the game against PSG. Look at the way the guys approach the game. Even before the game, leading to the game, Liverpool said that we are going to beat them. James said that we are going to beat them. Cole Palmer and Co. Even Gusto and Co. said that we are going to beat them. Like, they didn't fear anything. Now we can see like the winning mentality, the Chelsea that we used to know. Even Enzo Maresca said that we're going to beat them, we're going to stop them. And indeed, it happened, we beat them. So now the belief, the maturity, the winning mentality is coming back. Another thing I like about this project. So now let's hope next season, injury run away from Chelsea. Next season, Enzo Maresca start over experimenting. Let's hope, because sometimes Enzo Maresca, he can just raise you to the sky and bring you down. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about Cucurella. Ronaldo want Cucurella to join him at Al-Nassr, and Hato transfer and Javi Simon transfer, and Chelsea project. Do you change your mind about the project, and do you like the project, or still they have to bring more experienced players? Let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought, and don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more football fans on the YouTube algorithm. And today I gave you another video about Chelsea latest transfer. Here's the video. Please click to enjoy them. Take care. Peace.